Hello everyone, I am Velmurugan. My teammate is Mahadevan. We are student of EAE department 3rd year. In our project is Smart Medicine Reminder. They are components used in Arduino, RTC module, push button, buzzer and LCD display and some resistor. Working principle. The RTC module keeps tracking of the real time, ensuring that remains and triggered at accurate times. They used cannot medicine times using push button, which are programmed to allow easy input of the schedule into the system. When time to take medicine, the RTC triggers an alarm that activates the buzzer, alerting their use which audible sound. The LCD display show the medicine information to remembering the user which medicine to take at the time moment. The module cannot be connected to Wi-Fi network to enable remote and monitoring and notification which may be including sending and remember to the mobile application or notification. The caregiver if medicine is missed, the integration of components provides to reliable, easy to use reminder system that can assist patient with their daily medicine routine.